2018, we did not have a country called Kenya. We in the ODM had already mapped out the two sides of Kenya, and we'd already sworn in our own president, Raila Amolo Odinga. And we were committed to a journey of separation. The fact that the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga and His Excellency Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta met and agreed to chart a common path was a good thing for this country, because we would not be talking of a country called Kenya. And there are enough people who do not remember that. There are enough people who belittle that handshake and say that it's just about two people. It is not about two people. It was about a country. We are rightfully and will always remain behind the Right Honorable Prime Minister. And therefore there are those who think that they can belittle the handshake and introduce other foreign elements and other foreigners and take us elsewhere. We want to remind them that where we were in 2018, as of February, Nyasache Lwanya Loto Kanyo anytime, kata sani. Awachi ni hiyo zika wachi. The handshake was about this country and the future of this country. A separate issue is about the presidency. Raila Amolo Odinga does not need the handshake, does not need BBI to ascend to the presidency, because the presidency remains in BBI or no BBI. And we will support him, and the truth is he has always won and they've always robbed us. But this time round, he will win and we will get it.